some pineapple. Dumping that right there into our bowl. Adding a little bit of barbecue sauce. Any barbecue sauce that you choose is just fine. I happen to love Baby Ray's. And you just want enough barbecue sauce to fully coat these pieces of pineapple all the way around. Ooh, you guys, this is like reminding me of kind of springtime. I'm so ready for the warm weather. Ooh, this is gonna be such a little good, easy treat combination. All right, looks like our pineapple is nice and coated in that barbecue sauce. We're gonna go ahead and set this to the side. Bringing in here our baking sheet and grabbing ourselves one of those pieces of bacon we just cut up. Let's go ahead and open this on up. Great, okay, here we go. I'm going to take my barbecued pineapple and my piece of bacon right here, and I'm wrapping the bacon all the way around the pineapple, grabbing a little skewer here. It's a little bit longer than a toothpick, but I think actually a toothpick would probably be fine for this. And I'm just sticking it right in there and placing it on my baking sheet. Wrapping my last pineapple up here. Ooh, these are turning out great and they are super easy to put together. I know that this sweet and savory combo is just going to be so delicious. We are off to a great start. Now we're grabbing a little bit of brown sugar and we're going to sprinkle it right on top here of these little tops of our bacon. Ooh, I know, right? Have you ever had candied bacon? Ooh, this brown sugar is just gonna get so melty with a little bit of this bacon grease, and when it combines with that barbecue and pineapple, holy cow, I don't even know. Do I even need to explain myself? Okay, look at that. That looks perfect. Now to make it even better, we're coming in with a little bit of crushed red pepper because I love adding just a little kick onto this sweetness. Of course, if red pepper is not for you, that's totally fine and you can skip this step. But as you can see, I'm sprinkling it on top here and there's only a few flakes that are actually falling right on top of the bacon. So it's not gonna be anything too much. It'll just be a little bit of added flavor. Look how cute that is, you guys. It's so easy, and my favorite thing about this is not just the sweet and savory combination, but it's also the fact that we have these little picks in here and we can just pick them right up and they're super great finger foods. So let's pop this in the oven. We're gonna put it at 365. We're gonna cook it for about 20 to 25 minutes and wait until you see how delicious these turn out. Yummy. Look at how delicious these turn out. Wow, delicious. All right, here, just a little hot still. I'm gonna bring my plate in here and we're just gonna take these little bacon pieces right off. And look at how easy that is. Just getting to use it with the toothpick. It works perfectly. And look, I just wanna show you guys the bottom of this bacon on here is just full of flavor. Look at how glossy that looks. All the brown sugar and even some of that bacon fat just drips down and it's gonna be like an explosion in your mouth of flavor. These look so good. Do you smell them? Wow. And look at how perfect, they are. They just fit together perfectly. I love them, how cute. All right, looks great. Okay, babe, come on over here. I want you to taste one of these. I think you're gonna love them. Okay, come here. I'm gonna pick your piece, okay? I'm gonna go with this one right here. You trust me? Okay. Ooh. How is it? Does it taste spicy at all or no? No? Okay, you guys, this is such a great little snack. Who doesn't love bacon mixed with pineapple, a little brown sugar, and some crushed red pepper? Dig in.
See you next time.